Good afternoon and welcome to Priceline Stadium for the final match of round 5 of the Suncorp 2019 Super Netball season. And today it is a battle of the birds.
And Nankiville, what a great story young Maisie is, coming in only her second game and she's got the start. Chelsea Firebirds without Jenna and now Aiken. Is today the day to pounce?
I think even if they had Aiken, I'd take up who we match up individually against them to be able to get the win. So obviously it changes the dynamic for them. But I think our defence and whoever they put in out there will have them covered.
And a bit of a change in the mid-court today for the home side. Altman will start as centre, taking over from Hannah Petty. And they've won the toss and will have the first centre pass. So that goes against the trend of the other two games they've had. And here we go. And there is the opening goal of the game. Nice start there for Maria Falau.
This is the shot.
And she's got it.
Imagine the pressure she was feeling before that one.
A triple treat for Gretel Tippett, the first Aussie ever to make it a perfect ton. She's number 3 in the competition, Gretel Tippett. There's the first intercept. Outstanding. Shamira Sterling, it hasn't taken long.
Match-up happening.
On again. Brilliant. How's the deflection? The intercept completed. Outstanding there from the home side. The full court transition. And the conversion. Well, there's the play of the game right there. There's the Harvey Norman replay. That was the turnover that affected the goal there for the home side. Brilliant play. So she is dominating in the Nissan net points.
Oh, great play, Chelsea Pittman. The quick double to Maria Falau under the post. Pittman didn't even land it.
And if you want to get into our Netball Live app, how are you going?
Well, Rennie, Natalie Bomberto, the Adelaide Thunderbirds assistant coach, spent all the quarter-time break with young wing defence Maisie Nankiville. As we see Sasha Glasgow make good work there.
It was 31-26.
Oh, that's a beautiful ball and a great take. And Clemisha, really, she was up for the challenge but had nowhere else to go but straight into Glasgow.
Here's the Harvey Norman replay.
Great vision, and that's some confidence to put that in from that far off the circle.
Again, that margin just hovering around the 5. Bonus point.
Oh, again, that is a confident ball to let go from Petty.
Lead the T-Birds on track for another bonus point. Is Petty gets in the road, puts her body on the line, and don't the fans love it?
It's in the strength of Tippett, just not allowing that to happen today.
And in the blink of an eye, we are back all square. Tippett. And a great interception there.
It's quite unbelievable, isn't it? First goal scored. 7 minutes left almost on the clock.
And then one quickly brings another. It's anyone's game right now. Just feel like, though, Kath, the Thunderbirds have settled again.
They have, but I don't know, I still feel like the momentum's with the Firebirds a little bit.
Just wants to get a little bit closer to home. Back to the post. Does it well. Put her body on the lines.
Well, beautiful moves coming from Glasgow still, but a heavy hit also from Clemisha.
And again, working well with Falau. Great rebound from Glasgow. That's going to make it hard for the Firebirds from here. To affect that turnover right now. And get it into Falau. And that'll do it. Well, they gave their fans a fright, but for the first time in Suncorp Super Netball history, the Thunderbirds claim all 8 points. Make that 7 points, they won't mind. The bonus point going the way of the Firebirds there. The crowd doesn't care. They win by 3, but it was a heart stopper in the end. The Adelaide Thunderbirds 54-51. But gee, Kat, they did it the hard way in the end.